What a lovely morning. Hello there. You must be the new engine. I'm Eagle. What's your name? Sunny. Nice to meet you, Sunny. Yeah, nice to meet you too. Eagle, I gotta ask you something. What is it? Is this Knafford Harbor? Why, yes it is. Oh, thank goodness. I'm at the right place. Yeah. Oh, that's my guard's whistle. I gotta get going. Bye, Sunny. Bye, Eagle. Hello there. You must be a new engine. I'm Skiff. What's your name? Sunny. Well, it's nice to meet you, Sunny. Sunny, why do you look so sad? Well, Skiff, it's just, I have a past that I'm not very proud of. Really? What happened? Well, before I was bought by your controller, I used to work for the British Mafia. The British Mafia? They sound terrible. They are terrible. They did various crimes that I'm not very pleased about. At some point, I got separated from them. Then I ended up at a locomotive shop where your controller found me. Wow. I have a past I'm not very proud of. Really? What happened? Well, I was formerly owned by a criminal named Sailor John, but a friend of mine helped me stop him, and he was sent to prison. At some point, he escaped and ended up drowning in the sea. Wow. That's a story. Yeah, it is. But a wise guy once taught me that you gotta put your past behind you. I guess that makes sense. Yes, it does. Hey, why don't I show you around Sodor? Okay. Sunny, I can tell that you and I are going to be great friends. Yes, indeed, Skiff. Yes, indeed.